In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Roblox Error Code 403 Authentication Failed, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto your Windows and typing in View Network Connections. Once you click it, it should look like this. Now, the Wi-Fi that you're using should not have a red X beside it, so you're going to right-click it and click on Properties. You're going to navigate to Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties again. Now, on this option, you're going to select it and type in 8888, and then for the alternate, you're going to click 8844. You're going to check off Validate Settings upon exit and click on OK. You can close this and it should open a window like so that checks for the problems. And if there are no problems with the settings that were changed, it will detect that there are no problems in the actual settings. You can close this and then navigate to Roblox. Now I'm going to search for it in my apps, which is just down here, and you're going to right-click Roblox Player and go to the file location. Now, since this is here, I'm going to click on right-click Roblox Player, and I'm going to delete it. Once it is deleted, all you have to do is reset your PC and re-download Roblox onto your computer, and the error code will be fixed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.